Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. Oh, wow. Long time no see. What happened to me? Well, some serious things did happen in my life. Everything is back to normal. I'm at the age where, I'm late 50s. I'm 57. My birthday's coming up, by the way. And I'm at the age where, parents and aunts and uncles pass away. They move on to the next realm, to heaven, wherever it is that they go. And they get sick before that happens. It's a stressful time of life. But everything is good. Everything is good. I hope you have been doing well. I hope everything is good. I hope you have continued to study English. That's so important. Did you know I have a community that is so active? Yes, and it's free, completely free. We decided to make it completely free. So if you miss me, I'll always be there. School.com/LME. School, S-K-O-O-L. Not S-C-H-O-O-L, but SKOOL.com/LME. Let's master English, okay? Yeah, I'm there. I want you to be there. All right, let's get into today's expression, number 1167. Ooh, I like it. The expression is, I'll take A, or I'll take B, or I'll take that. And this verb take can mean buy, and it can mean choose, and it's extremely common. So let's check out the dialogue. If you could choose between a vacation in the mountains or in a big city, where would you go?
I'll take the city.
Why?
I love the nightlife. Food, drinks, dancing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. If you love the nightlife, the city is much better than the mountains, right? Now, personally, I'll take the mountains. I live on a mountain. I live on top of a mountain. I really do, guys. Not a huge mountain, but I live on top of a mountain and all alone in the forest. It's beautiful. It's great. Lots of animals. My boys love it. My wife, I'm not sure my wife today is in Boston. My wife is in the city right now. I think she likes it. Anyway, we had to make a decision, my wife and I, many years ago. Where should we go? And we had the choice of moving to a city or the country, and we took the country. We chose the country. We didn't buy the country. We chose the country. And that's the case here. I'll take many times means buy, but in this case it means choose. Chose. Take, took, choose, chose. So the dialogue, if you could choose between a vacation in the mountains, sounds nice, or in a big city, you might like that. Where would you go? And the guy says, I'll take the city. I will choose the city. Why? Because he loves the nightlife. I love the nightlife. I love to boogie. I love to boogie and more. That's like a 1970s song. That's really long ago. Anyway, he likes food, drinks, and dancing. We have food in the country. We have drinks in the country. Not much dancing, although you can dance wherever you want, right? What about you? Which one would you choose? Would you choose a vacation in the mountains or a vacation in a big city? I would love to hear your comments. On Spotify, it's easy for me to see your comments, or just go to school.com/LME, SKOOL.com/LME, and leave a comment there. Just tell me, hey, I'll take the country, or I'll take the city, and I will know what you're talking about. All right, let's check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English. If you could choose between a vacation in the mountains or in a big city, where would you go?
I'll take the city.
Why?
I love the nightlife. Food, drinks, dancing. Yeah.
If you could choose between a vacation in the mountains, or in a big city, where would you go?
I'll take the city.
Why?
I love the nightlife. Food, drinks, dancing. Yeah.